See one ear go back? Come get it.
Get it, Mo. Get it, Mo. So just lay it on the ground. And don't let it... Get it, Mo. Go get it. Go get it. You get it. Get it.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Get it, Mo.
You big chicken. You better get that ball. Come here.
Get over there. Get over there and get it. You get over there. Is that Giz? Is that Gizmo? Hi, Mo. You got your bear? Huh? Oops, sorry about that, Mo. I didn't get you in the picture. Where's the baby? There he is. Thank you.
That's it. Get in there.
What's in there? Oh! Hey, what are you getting? Mo, what's that? Oh, what is that, Mo? You got something? Good girl. Oh, what a good girl. Mo, something else in here. Mo. What is that? Your little Christmas ring?
My stocking? I get a stocking this year?
What's he got there?
This is Mo after a hard day at Christmas. The poor baby.
Been cooking and cleaning and washing dishes.
Mo, how much turkey have you had?
Too much, Daddy. Ouch.
Your belly full?
My belly is full.
Oh, I see that belly.
I need to go for another